Hello everybody. 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 I have an unboxing video for you, but first I got a story to tell you leading up to this unboxing. This snake I got from Ed over at TGH. Much love, brother. What's going on? Anyway, I got a snake from him. It's actually from Ed, the breeder. One of Ed over at TGH's. It's one of his friends. Got a good deal on it. Couldn't pass it up. Said, I'm getting ready to get into this gene, so might as well go all in. You know what I'm saying? Not really. It's just a head, but still. FedEx was supposed to deliver this snake yesterday, and I waited and I waited and I waited, and yet kept checking my email and it kept saying picked or what did it say? Dropped off at facility in Indianapolis, Indiana. This was at 5 a.m. yesterday. And I noticed this around 3 o'clock that it still said this. I said it's supposed to be here by 4:30 and it's not saying shipped or on the way or something that you normally see when you're following a shipment like this. So about 30 minutes after I noticed that I'd say it was about 4 o'clock, Ed sends me a text message saying, brother, shipment's been held up in Indianapolis. He forwarded me the info that he got on email. So I did the right thing. I contact FedEx myself. Okay, what had happened was the plane had not arrived in time to depart to go to the hub in Kentucky. That plane left before that plane had got there, if that makes sense. That's all good. They have it in a controlled environment. One day's not going to hurt the snake. If it's packed well, which we'll find out. I'm sure it is. Because Ed didn't do this by himself. He reached out to a good buddy of his, TGH. Gotta love Anthony over there, Granddaddy Herps. He helped him out and showed him, how to ship it, how to pack it, everything. So I'm sure it's good quality packing. Anyway, back on the topic. Here's today. I talked to FedEx at 8 o'clock this morning. They said shipment's on its way. No time or date is available. So I called them immediately because I don't want to miss this shipment, nor do I want them to not know where to go and not deliver it. I worked all night. I don't feel like driving an hour away to the hub that the snake is at, so I decided to let them come on down and deliver it. They're like, okay, it'll be there between 11:20 and 2:40. Kind of odd times, if you ask me. I wake up about, 1:30, and I have an email saying your snake has been delivered. I'm thinking, crap, man, because it's like 50 degrees outside. It is definitely feeling like fall. It's too cold for a snake to be sitting outside in a box. I look outside, there's nothing to be found. Don't know where it's at. Okay, so now I'm freaking out. I'm about to call FedEx again and see if they really have dropped off the snake, because I've seen some people where it'll say snake has been delivered, and the only reason it has the time in is because the driver's supposed to have it there at a certain time, and they don't. Trying to cover their rear ends. But luckily, my father-in-law was home. They delivered a snake to him, and he takes the box. He had called me, but I didn't hear the phone ring. So I was freaking out over nothing. The snake's here in the box. I'm about to do the unboxing here in just a second. Okay, guys, here I am with the box here. Cover it all the way. Over here. Like that. Anyway, get this started. Looks like it's very well packed. In the bag. Yep. Very well packed. Cannot complain. Nice and soft. Very nice. Anyway, let's get this out of the way. And we'll see what we got. Gotta love the she's a pretty little girl. Very nice. She's a little cold, but that's understandable. We'll get her warmed up. We won't put her directly into the oven. We'll let her warm up. Anyway, this is her. Nice colors. Very nice colors. And this is 800% head clown. Female. I got some clown stuff coming up that I'm going to be purchasing here before long, and she will make a great addition into that breeding group one day. Got a little ways to go, so anyway, she's nice and active. Looks like she's been well took care of. You see the bands on her. She was. Nice alien head. better look over here. Nice cover the head. I'd say the lights probably got her. She's nice and active though for a snake that's pretty cold. That's okay though. You know, she was due to be shipped out yesterday, which weather stated, you know, perfect weather for it. FedEx's fault that she was held up. She has some nice blushed out pattern on her dorsal, like the flaming between the alien heads. It's very nice. Anyway, seems to be a beautiful girl. Anyway, guys, this is it. It's a 100% het clown female that KY Constructors has added to their collection. Nice little head stamp there. See her pattern a little bit better there. It's a real nice orange gold color too. Camera really is not doing her any justice. We'll get her warmed up and we'll get her treated and put in quarantine. At least a 30-day period. It shouldn't be a problem, considering I'm in the process of moving on. Just keep her in the quarantine rack. So anyway, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think of her. Let me know if you would be interested in getting in the clown if you haven't already. Anyway, guys, have a good one. We'll catch you on the flip side. Guys, another little clip over here. Like saddles. You know, look at the markings on this girl. Beautiful. Definitely beautiful. Get another picture of her face there. Nice head, little head stamp there. Nice little light browns. Let's see if we can get a picture of her eye. Oh yeah, she's pretty though. A little head shy, but of course, what snake isn't? She got some nice golds and stuff in her aliens. On the dorsal stripe, especially. There's some nice light markings along some of her alien heads. And the flaming. Oh my god. Anyway, this clip is posted meant to tell Ed thank you. Thanks for making this girl available. Definitely pleased. Hopefully, you know, she proves out. And this little girl can make some babies. I did sex her. She's definitely a female. Like I said, guys, sorry about my mess. I am moving, so but my wife's there is asleep, watching my TV. Oh yeah, here's an addition that I got, and that is my big tank for my bearded dragon. This will be the only thing not going in my new reptile room, just because I think the tank is so nice. It needs to be on display in my house, so it'll probably be going in the den along with some new furniture that we'll be buying. But anyway, it's Augie's new home. She loves it. She wasn't a 55 gallon long, and she had just outgrew it. It was long enough for her, but that being said, she couldn't turn around in it very well, so I decided to go ahead and upgrade her into something a little accommodating, more accommodating for her. This girl is something else, let me tell you. She is amazing. I love her. And I love normals anyway. Because the variety is amazing. I don't see any signs of mites. She's a very active girl, especially for being cold. And that's not, I don't mean to keep saying because she's cold, but I mean, most reptiles are cold when they're in shipment, so they stress out a little bit. But she seems to be doing just great. She's just wondering, get a tongue clip. Just checking everything out. She don't know where she's at. This is your new home, honey. Yes, it is. So, anyway, like I said before, click like and subscribe. Another thank you to TGH. Ed, look forward to doing more business with you. Hopefully vice versa. Maybe you'll end up getting something off me one day. Anyway, make sure to stay positive. Make sure to reach out to your fellow herper in need. And if you got a question, don't be afraid to ask. Anybody in the TGH family, presidents or senators, if you know them, reach out to them. If you have any questions on husbandry or breeding tips or anything, one of us can answer that question. And if we don't know the answer to that question, we can reach out to one another and get the answer to that question. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get this girl taken care of, get her put up, get her in quarantine, let her settle in for a few days. We'll try to feed her maybe in 2 or 3 days, see how she's doing. Anyway, have a good one, and we'll catch you on the flip side.